Hey gang, this is a special edition of Anybody Can Be a Star on YouTube. Let's call it that XXX because I'm in a bad mood. Earlier in another of this playlist, I said cross post. Don't just keep to your underwater basket weaving, you know. And because of that, I'm starting these computer room projects. And I'm probably going to be not being able to lift heavy stuff for a while after my surgery. Day after tomorrow, I'm supposed to get a call before noon about scheduling my surgery. Daisy said, if you don't hear from me by then, call. Oh, I will. I will, Daisy. Trust me. Anyway, like I said, uh, battery backup unit right next to the other one. Out of the wall into one. The second one plugged into the first one. So 2 layers of power scrub. Yeah. What gets past the first one hopefully gets caught by the second one. Anyway, 30 amp hours. Yeah, it'll run that a good amount of time. So, tomorrow I gotta unhook one of these backup units from the wall and the other one from it, and modem will lose power for a minute or two. Good night.